Top 6 Best Morning Teas to Flush Toxins and Restore Kidney Function Fast. Have you ever woken up feeling bloated, sluggish, or just not fully refreshed? It's one of those frustrating feelings that can throw off your entire day before it even begins. But here's something interesting: what you choose to drink first thing in the morning can actually make a huge difference in how your body feels and functions throughout the day. Your kidneys are constantly working behind the scenes, filtering waste, balancing fluids, and helping your body stay clean and in balance. They do a lot more than we usually give them credit for. But just like any hardworking system, they can sometimes use a little extra support to function at their best. That's where simple, natural morning teas come in. These gentle yet powerful drinks can help your body stay hydrated, support detox processes, and give your kidneys that extra boost they need, without anything complicated or artificial. In today's guide, we're going to explore 6 powerful morning teas that may help your body flush out toxins and support kidney function naturally. If you're looking for an easy habit that can make you feel lighter and more energized, you're definitely going to want to stick around. But before we begin, drop your name and the city you're watching from in the comments below. Alright, let's get started. Number 1. Dandelion Tea. If your body feels heavy, sluggish, or a little puffy when you wake up in the morning, this tea can feel like a natural reset button for your entire system. That uncomfortable bloated feeling isn't always just about what you ate the night before. It can also be a sign that your body is holding onto excess water and struggling to efficiently eliminate waste. When that happens, you might feel tired, stiff, and just not fully refreshed. This is exactly where dandelion tea comes in. Despite being simple and often overlooked, it's incredibly powerful when it comes to supporting your body's natural detox process. Dandelion tea is known as a natural diuretic, which means it helps your body release excess water and flush out toxins through urine in a gentle and balanced way. Instead of forcing your system, it works with your body to restore a healthier internal balance. As your body starts letting go of that extra water weight and built-up waste, you may begin to notice a lighter, less bloated feeling even within the same day. It's a small change, but one that can make a big difference in how comfortable and energized you feel. What makes dandelion tea even more effective is its ability to support your liver. Your liver plays a major role in detoxifying your body, breaking down toxins so they can be eliminated properly. And here's the important part: your liver and kidneys work closely together as a team. When your liver is supported and functioning well, it makes your kidneys' job much easier and more efficient. Drinking dandelion tea in the morning helps kickstart this entire process early in the day. It gently wakes up your system, supports fluid balance, and encourages your body to start clearing out what it doesn't need. Over time, this can lead to better digestion, reduced bloating, and a more consistent feeling of lightness throughout the day. The best part? It's simple, natural, and easy to add to your routine. Just one warm cup in the morning can help set the tone for a healthier, more energized day ahead. Number 2. Ginger Tea. If you want to wake up your system without relying on caffeine, ginger tea is an excellent choice to start your morning. Instead of the quick spike and crash that often comes with coffee, ginger offers a more natural, steady way to energize your body. Its warming effect gently stimulates your system, helping you feel more awake, alert, and ready to take on the day, without any jittery side effects. One of the key benefits of ginger tea is its ability to improve circulation. When your blood flows more efficiently, oxygen and nutrients are delivered more effectively throughout your body, including to your vital organs. This supports overall function and helps reduce unnecessary strain on your kidneys. When your circulation and digestion are working properly, your body doesn't have to work as hard to process and eliminate waste, making everything feel more balanced. Ginger is also incredibly helpful for kickstarting your digestion first thing in the morning. After hours of rest, your digestive system can be a bit slow to get going. A warm cup of ginger tea helps wake it up, encouraging smoother digestion throughout the day. This can lead to less bloating, improved nutrient absorption, and a more comfortable feeling after meals. Another powerful advantage of ginger is its anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation can quietly affect how your body functions, often leading to fatigue, discomfort, or sluggishness. By helping to reduce internal inflammation, ginger allows your body to operate more efficiently, supporting not just your kidneys but your overall health as well. And if you're someone who often wakes up feeling slightly nauseous, uneasy, or just not quite right, ginger tea can be a game changer. It's widely known for its soothing effect on the stomach, helping to calm discomfort and ease that unsettled feeling. Instead of starting your day feeling off, you can begin it feeling steady, relaxed, and refreshed. Adding ginger tea to your morning routine is simple, natural, and effective. It's a small habit that can create a noticeable shift in how your body feels, helping you move through your day with more comfort, energy, and balance. Number 3. Green tea. If you want something simple but incredibly powerful, green tea is definitely a must-add to your morning routine. Sometimes, the most effective habits are the easiest ones to stick to, and green tea is a perfect example of that. It doesn't require any complicated preparation, and yet it delivers a wide range of benefits that can support your body in a natural, balanced way. One of the main reasons green tea is so effective is because it's loaded with antioxidants, especially compounds known as catechins. These powerful substances help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can contribute to aging and various health issues over time. By reducing this kind of damage, green tea helps your body stay more resilient and function more efficiently from the inside out. When your cells are healthier, your organs can perform their roles with less strain, and that includes your kidneys. Your kidneys are constantly working to filter waste and maintain fluid balance, and reducing oxidative stress can make that process smoother. Green tea gently supports your body's natural detox system, allowing waste to be processed and eliminated more effectively. While it's not an instant fix, consistent daily use can lead to noticeable improvements in how your body feels over time. Another reason people love green tea is the energy boost it provides. Unlike coffee, which can sometimes feel overwhelming and lead to sudden crashes, green tea offers a much gentler lift. It contains a moderate amount of caffeine along with an amino acid called L-theanine, which helps promote calm focus. This combination allows you to feel more awake and alert without the jittery or anxious feeling that caffeine alone can sometimes cause. Adding green tea to your morning routine is one of the easiest ways to support your health without overthinking it. It's simple, effective, and sustainable, making it a perfect daily habit. If you're looking for a drink that helps you feel more energized, balanced, and refreshed, green tea might be exactly what your body needs to start the day right. Number 4. Nettle leaf tea. This underrated tea is like a natural cleanser for your kidneys, and it definitely deserves more attention. If you're searching for something gentle yet effective to support your body's natural detox process, nettle leaf tea might be exactly what you've been missing. It may not be as popular as green tea or ginger tea, but when it comes to quietly supporting your internal health, it's incredibly powerful. Nettle leaf tea is widely known for its ability to help flush out toxins and unwanted bacteria from the urinary tract. It works by encouraging healthy urine flow, which allows your body to eliminate waste more efficiently. When your system is able to clear out buildup consistently, it reduces the chances of feeling sluggish, bloated, or out of balance. This makes it especially helpful if you feel like your body needs a deeper internal cleanse or if you simply want to give your kidneys extra support. Another reason nettle leaf tea stands out is because of its impressive nutritional value. It's packed with essential vitamins and minerals such as vitamin C, iron, magnesium, and even small amounts of calcium. These nutrients play important roles in maintaining energy levels, supporting immune function, and keeping your body running smoothly. So while it's helping cleanse your system, it's also nourishing and strengthening your body at the same time. If you occasionally experience urinary discomfort or want to take a more proactive approach to your health, this tea can be a great addition to your routine. It works gently without putting stress on your system, making it suitable for regular, long-term use. Incorporating nettle leaf tea into your morning routine is simple, but the effects can be surprisingly noticeable. With consistency, you may begin to feel lighter, cleaner, and more balanced overall. Sometimes, it's the small daily habits that create the biggest long-term changes, and this tea is a perfect example of that. Number 5. Turmeric tea. When inflammation goes down, your whole body starts to function better, and that includes your kidneys. What many people don't realize is that chronic, low-level inflammation can quietly put extra strain on your organs over time. It doesn't always show obvious symptoms at first, but it can slowly affect your energy, digestion, and overall balance. That's why even small steps to reduce inflammation can make a noticeable difference in how you feel each day. This is where turmeric tea really stands out. Turmeric contains a powerful active compound called curcumin, which is widely recognized for its strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These properties help calm internal inflammation and protect your cells from damage caused by oxidative stress. When your body is less inflamed, everything tends to work more efficiently, including your kidneys, which can then focus on filtering waste and maintaining proper fluid balance without unnecessary stress. Drinking turmeric tea in the morning is a simple yet effective way to support this process right from the start of your day. It gently wakes up your system while helping reduce internal stress that may have built up from factors like poor diet, lack of sleep, or even everyday environmental exposure. Instead of starting your day feeling sluggish or heavy, this warm, soothing drink can help you feel more balanced and refreshed. Over time, this small daily habit can contribute to better overall health. You may notice improved energy levels, smoother digestion, and a greater sense of well-being as your body begins to function more efficiently. It's not about instant results, but about creating consistent support for your body day after day. Here's a simple pro tip to make turmeric tea even more effective: add a small pinch of black pepper. It may seem minor, but black pepper contains a compound that significantly boosts your body's ability to absorb curcumin. Without it, you're not getting the full benefits turmeric has to offer. So if you're looking for a warm, comforting drink that supports recovery, reduces inflammation, and helps your body rebalance naturally, turmeric tea is a powerful and easy addition to your morning routine. Number 6. Parsley tea. Parsley tea might not sound the most exciting at first, but don't underestimate how effective it can be. Sometimes, the simplest natural remedies are the ones that quietly deliver the best results, and parsley tea is a perfect example of that. It may not have the hype of trendier drinks, but when it comes to supporting your body in a gentle and natural way, it truly stands out. One of the main reasons parsley tea is so beneficial is because it acts as a mild diuretic. This means it helps your body release excess water, salt, and toxins through urine. If you've been eating a lot of salty or processed foods, your body can start retaining fluid, which often leads to that uncomfortable bloated or heavy feeling. Starting your morning with parsley tea can help your system reset by encouraging it to flush out what it no longer needs. What makes parsley tea especially appealing is how gentle it is on your body. Unlike stronger detox methods that can feel harsh or overwhelming, parsley works in a more balanced way. It supports your kidneys by promoting healthy fluid flow and helping them function more efficiently, all while maintaining the right balance of fluids in your body. Over time, this can lead to a noticeable difference. You may feel lighter, less puffy, and more energized throughout your day. Beyond its cleansing effects, parsley is also surprisingly rich in nutrients. It contains vitamins A, C, and K, along with powerful antioxidants that help protect your body from everyday stress and cellular damage. These nutrients don't just support your kidneys, they contribute to your overall health, including your immune system, skin, and energy levels. Adding parsley tea to your morning routine is simple and practical. It doesn't require much effort, but the long-term benefits can be meaningful. While it may not be the most popular or exciting option, it's one of those quiet, reliable habits that can help your body feel more balanced, refreshed, and supported every single day. So, what's the best way to use these teas? The good news is, you don't need to overcomplicate things or try all of them at once to start seeing benefits. In fact, the simplest approach is often the most effective. Instead of overwhelming yourself, just pick one tea that matches your needs or even your mood that day, and enjoy it as part of your morning routine. Keeping things easy makes it much more likely that you'll stay consistent, and consistency is where the real results come from. Another great approach is to rotate these teas throughout the week. This keeps your routine fresh and gives your body access to a wider range of nutrients and benefits. For example, you might choose something calming one day and something more energizing the next. Over time, this also helps you figure out which teas your body responds to best and how each one makes you feel. The key takeaway here is that you don't need perfection, you just need consistency. Small, simple habits like drinking 1 cup of tea each morning can add up to meaningful changes over time. As you stick with it, you may start to notice improvements in your energy levels, digestion, and overall well-being. Sometimes, the smallest daily choices are the ones that make the biggest difference. Now I'm curious, which of these teas are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple health tips like this. See you in the next video.